Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how I adjust a lower back or a lumbar spine. So we're doing a series of videos on lower back pain and how we treat lower back pain. We're going to do another video on stretches for lower back. You can go back and see all our videos. But today I just want to show you a very specific adjustment for the lower back spine. So the lumbar vertebrae stack one on top of another. And sometimes, and they're supposed to move very nicely. There's supposed to be nice movement in between those joints, in between the discs. Sometimes, and in a past video I explained this, the joints get fixated or what we call subluxated, meaning the joints don't want to move very well. And so what happens is it puts a lot more stress on the actual joint, on the nerves that exit out there, and that's what gives a lot of lower back pain. So this type of adjustment, which is what we call a side posture adjustment that I'm going to demonstrate right now, helps to unlock those stuck joints and help get that healthy motion and movement in the spine. So I'm going to show you how we do that. So this is my patient Chrissy. She's been having some lower back pain. You just set up lying on your side, and I put a little pressure in the lower back, and you may hear it move. Chrissy's spine moves really good. And then I just usually go back the other way. Same kind of adjustment. Top knee bends up, and then she keeps her shoulders back to give me a little bit of a rotation in the hips and the lower spine. Contact that lumbar area, and nice healthy motion and movement on your back. So that is a key, in my opinion, a key way to adjust the lower back spine and get all that relief, correct the misalignments and the subluxations, and help get you out of pain. So if you're struggling with pain, come into our offices so that we can help you get better without drugs, without surgery, the way that your body's meant to heal. All right, Dr. Jody signing off. See you soon.